PKD Nambiar is on the debate, and I think so is Dr. Sanjeev Bagai. Yes. So PKD, I think, is this a BJP vaccine? Will they still call it a BJP vaccine? They should know. Will they change their position now?
I think today Akhilesh Yadav should go to Ayodhya, and अयोध्या में राम मंदिर के सामने वो उधर माथा टेकना चाहिए और हर सीधा वाराणसी में जाना चाहिए, काशी विश्वनाथ के सामने माथा टेकने के बोलना चाहिए माफी चाहता हूँ, वैष्णव माता जाना चाहिए, माथा टेकना चाहिए, बोलना चाहिए कि मैं देश का सारे साइंटिस्टों से और देश से माफी मांगता हूँ. I think what a momentous day. I think it's a day when every Indian must celebrate. The WHO Act,
late, sir.
It is an epic. It is the momentous day for the Indian science. It's a momentous day for every scientist. It's a momentous day for every Indian. I think WHO approving Covaxin is not just about a Bharat Biotech's winning or these things, but it's for the entire country.
Yeah.
It's also Mr. Modi's achievement. It's also Mr. Modi's achievement.
Say it. Mr. Modi's achievement.
Say it.
It is Mr. Modi's. I am saying it is the Modi's achievement. It is Mr. Modi's achievement. It is the government's achievement. There is no
Neeraj
doubt.
Chopra's javelin was Mr. Modi, his coach.
Somebody who has got a problem
Mr. Modi
with
coached
saying
Neeraj
that
Chopra
it's
also.
not the achievement of the leader.
Say it. Mr. Modi won the gold medal for Neeraj Chopra. Say it.
It's only that they are living in a fool's paradise.
Say it.
The problem is that
we are the only country in the world
that
has the face of its prime minister on the vaccine certificate.
So what? Because he led from the front. He
Remove the
front. I think if
the credit is for the scientists, why don't you put Dr. Balram Bhargav's photo on the certificate? Why don't you put the DG ICMR's photo on the certificate?
In the same way, why do you have the name Gandhi family's name in the almost in every airport in the second houses? Every second building in this country is in the name of the Gandhis.
That's not
what are you talking about? What is your concern?
Named after Netaji? Is one airport named after Akhilesh Yadav? You have a problem with the Congress, you take it up with the Congress.
You have a problem.
All right.
Your problem
now,
is simple.
I want to make my point.
You cannot accept
the
anything.
Era of vaccine apartheid is over.
Anything which is right happening in this country. You cannot happen. You cannot even imagine the very fact that.
No, I think PKD is on the debate. Last 2 minutes. I asked the question, is there anything going right in India? And he says there is nothing going right in India. Unless you change the government, nothing can ever go right in India. The problem with these people, PKD, is they look upon national achievement as a personal failure. That's their problem.
Absolutely. Absolutely. You said it. You bang on. There are some people in this country who are sitting even in this panel cannot even digest the very fact that India is progressing. The progress of India is not even digestible to the people. I feel sorry to be a part of this panel who cannot celebrate even today. I am seriously feeling sorry to be a part of this panel that if even on the greatest achievement of the country, you cannot celebrate. You are just...
Okay, here's...
Can you tell me one good, talented, educated, professional minister
now
in the cabinet?
there's this one... A minute, please. A minute. You know...